Hi, this is Mrs. Gilbert, the reading specialist at Londonderry Elementary School. This video is part of a series about the different animal reading strategies you can use to encourage your child to take action when solving an unknown word. The strategy I'm going to show you is called Flippy Dolphin. When a child uses Flippy Dolphin, we want him to flip the vowel sound. Try the long and short sounds. Let's read the soccer game. Let's play soccer, Papa, Sam said. Sam was good at soccer. He liked to run fast. He could jump and he could kick the ball into the net. I want to play too, Jessie said. You do? Said Sam. Jessie liked soccer, but he liked bugs more. Let's play, boys, Papa said. See if you can kick the ball past me. Sam kicked the ball, but Papa stopped it. The ball didn't go in the net. Then Jessie kicked the ball, and Papa stopped it. You have to help each other, boys, Papa said. Papa kicked the ball bake. That doesn't make sense. Try using Flippy Dolphin. Flip the vowel sound. You said the long sound, so try the short sound. B, a, back. Good. Now reread the sentence. Papa kicked the ball back. Sam had to run to get it. Come on, Jessie. Come and help me, Sam said. But Jessie was looking at an anthill. The ants were red and black. They had 6 legs. Sam yelled, Get the ball, Jessie. Jessie looked up. The ball was coming. It was going to roll over the ants. Jessie put his foot out. He stopped the ball to save the ants. Then he kicked the ball back to Sam. Sam stopped the ball. He gave it a hard kick. It went past Papa. It went into the net. Yes, Sam yelled. We did it, Jessie said. We did it? Sam said. No, I kicked the ball into the net. You were looking at ants. I kicked the ball to you, Jessie said. You just wanted to salve your ants, Sam said. That didn't sound right. Try using Flippy Dolphin on this word. Flip the vowel sound. You said the short sound, so try the long sound because of the silent E. Save. Save. Great job. Now reread the sentence. You just wanted to save your ants, Sam said. Papa smiled. It was a good kick, he said. Sam looked at Jessie. You did help me get the ball past Papa, Sam said. We make a good team, Sam said. Yes, we do, Jessie said. You, me, and the ants. And that's how you can encourage your child to use the Flippy Dolphin reading strategy to solve unknown words.